Hi, I'm Brian. Welcome back to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. We're looking at a Frigidaire upright freezer. The complaint is it is not running, not cooling. You can see on the display here, we're missing like a digit here, or actually it's not even corresponding to the actual temperature. When you press it, it's glitched up or in some kind of service mode, diagnostic mode, possibly. We didn't find any service mode for this particular control, so what we found is we do have a defective control. We're going to be replacing our control here. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. We're going to unplug the unit. We're just going to take a small flathead, and there's a little cutout here at the bottom to release the tab. Then you just pull the control out. You can see your connection here, and it plugs in here. Alright, got our new one here. I'm just going to line this up and push it back in. Now we can plug the unit back in. Okay, I just heard the unit kick on. Compressor's running, fan's running. And you can see we've got our normal display back on the screen here. That's how it should look. Just temperature from 7 at the coldest down to 0 is off. And then you got your alarm reset button and control lock there. But everything's back on. Our high temp light there is going to stay on until it reaches proper temperature, until it gets to a certain temperature, and then that'll go off again. Everything's looking good. That'll complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.